Okay, we are heading off to Brownsea Island today. We are rushing because the ferry's supposed to leave at 9:20 and it's probably about 9:10 now.
We've got 10 minutes.
I think so, until the boat leaves without us. I'm not sure how much we're going to be able to film.
And then it'll be your fault.
Because we're with some of my old school friends today, I don't think I feel quite comfortable enough yet to film. So there might just be nice scenic things, but not any talking going on. But we'll see how we go.
Yeah. Did you say cars smaller? Goodness me, that's Brownsea Castle. I think so. Yeah, Emma said we can go right up on top on the roof. Who lives in the castle?
I don't know. How cool is that?
Hey, I've seen a peacock. People see the peacock.
Already?
Look up.
I'm blind.
Oh, there.
Oh yeah!
I know they like the roof.
On the roof.
Did you see it?
Kids have found skittles, the bowls. We've also found a games room, table tennis, football. I think Jack is going to love it today. Oh! Go on, Lily.
And the second go.
Oh!
5 points.
Well done! Well done, Lil. Jack, roll it properly. That's better. Oh! Oh my goodness! Where are you off to?
Oh,
So he's been off exploring. Is anything good?
I can't see the hole
There's croquet down there. A secret hole?
down there.
I think we're going to explore the castle, or whatever it is, hotel thing first, and then explore the grounds. Hello. Kids found the game room.
Yeah. Right, anyone see a red squirrel in a tree?
Yes, I think so, yeah. Yeah. They all go the same, yeah.
Got it very warm again.
Yeah.
What, to live here? This is just beautiful, isn't it? It is ridiculous that we live so near to this, and it's like only the second time I've ever been. Oh, actually, so no, I remember. Oh no, I can't remember the speech because it's private to John Lewis, isn't it?
No.
Steady, Jack. How wet are your shorts, Will?
Teamwork to get a deck chair.
How many women did take me in the deck chair?
Well done, girls.
Right, just make sure.
Right, go on then, Jack, I'm watching.
Like it's in properly, but make sure that it is. Let the ladies carry it and then sit on it yourself.
See you properly. There's Peacocks.
Well, apparently the peacocks shed all their tail feathers and go at the end of mating season when they finish doing their business.
Where's the table tennis? Can I pick up the peacock feather?
Yeah, it's a little fluffy one, isn't it?
Where's the table tennis? Oh!
Done that.
Right, ready?
Yeah.
Oh. Jack's found football. Oh, they've got the frisbee thing. Oh. They do disc golf here. If you could throw a frisbee, Jack, I would do disc golf with you. But you can't. Which is there, Brownsea Castle disc golf. I need to just see where the girls have gone. The girls got impatient waiting for us, so they went and asked someone to show them where the play area is. I should probably have said, which I haven't yet, this is private property of John Lewis. So we're here today because two of my lovely friends work, so they get to come to the Brownsea Island hotel, so it's all private. It was absolutely beautiful. We had just a lovely lunch. They found now a little fort, a giant chair. Check. Oh look, there's a slide. So you got a castle, some swings. Ooh, that's really cool.
Whee!
Oh. It's a bit slow. Faster, Jack.
My God. Why are you not going for the corner?
Oh, what a goal! What a beautiful goal! Oh, unlucky Jack.
And I cut.
There you go, you did it, see? Ever so gently, you need to.
Let me touch it.
No, you can't touch it, Jack.
Why?
Sit after your cake. No, don't tease.
You can't feed him. He's alright eating the crumbs if you Should we look at what time the boat goes back?
Hello.
No, there's a card on reception. You're not so close to your line. Oh, well done.
You look like a tiny person.
Everyone. Oh, that's 2 out of 3. 3 out of 4. 3 out of 4. 4 out of 4.
Wow. Well done, Sam. What white thing? It's a bird. That is awesome, isn't it? That's the normal Brownsea Island ferry going across and the Sandbanks ferry behind it. Ooh. What have you found? Fairy door. Oh, cool. Is there anything in it?
No.
It's a key.
They've gone out of play, probably.
Awesome's that?
Oh, the key. What's that?
What does it say on it?
Why is there a
Can't
fairy
read
door?
it. It does.
The fairy's home. There's a rock inside it. I found a stone. I found.
So it's 20 to 6 now. It's coming towards the end of the day. We've had a fantastic day here. What's that? Oh. We've got about 10 minutes until our little ferry boat comes. So we're just going to collect the rest of the kids. Jack and I have been playing table tennis, haven't we, Jack? Table tennis, rather.
9, 10.
Yeah, I won, but only just. It was a very good game. We played pool earlier. We played skittles, we played football. We've eaten far too much. Especially you lot. We got 2 helpings of afternoon tea. It's been a very good day. We're now going to see what Lily has found and is probably wanting to bring home.
And Lily. And then look, if you look through this hole, there's a heart.
Is that?
You can see it. Awesome. Mummy, I found it down.
So we are on our way. We missed the ferry.
First one.
Yeah, so we're now going for the very last ferry. We've got loads of time, but we're making sure we don't miss this one. I don't think you will laugh because we'll be stuck here. Here it is, the last boat. Please, Jack. It's a little boat. Look, Jack, that's near enough, please. No. But wait for the man. Going home, Lily.
That won't save it.